Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share about the recent transit that has taken place. Now the Mars is sitting into the Cancer zodiac sign, how it is going to impact each moon sign, what are things that you need to take in care of, and this particular transit is bringing a good time for four moon sign. They are blessed during this time, but other need to be conscious how it is going to impact at the country level and what all things that you need to be taken care of during this time. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So this particular transit of Mars into the Cancer, so the impact will be seen in the native's life till June 6th. What is going to happen? So this is a time when the Mars sit in the Cancer zodiac sign. This is a debilitated position of the Mars, and when the Mars is sitting in the debilitated position in Cancer, it is a weakest position of the Mars. So this is not a good sign, as Mars is a planet which don't follow the rules. So you are going to observe at the country level there are a lot of changes which is going to happen at the political level. There is a high possibilities of the accident air, road as well as a railway. That part people need to be conscious, as well as relationship wise also this will not be so great time. This is a time where a lot of moon sign need to take care of your health also. Try to do the remedies that I have already shared moon wise. First is the Aries moon sign. So for you, this particular transit is going to impact your health directly. You need to take care of your health. Don't take your health for granted during this time. This is a time where you may face difficulty in completing the work. In every work which you want to complete, you are going to face obstacles and the challenges, and it will be difficult for you to complete the task during this time. It is not a great time for the students. They are going to face a problem in focus in their studies. It is not a great time for the people who are already married or who are in the relationship. They may face problem in their domestic, they may face problem in their life, and domestic life will not be so great during this time. This is a time where you may feel like emotionally drained out. You may feel like that nobody is understanding you, or by your own also you will not able to express your feeling, due to which you may feel like lonely and isolated also during this time. What you should do to overcome the challenges: make sure that every Tuesday you are feeding cows jaggery, carrot or tomato as per your age. This will help you out to remove the negative effect of this transit. Taurus people, this is a good time for you. With the blessings of the Mars, you are going to see that you will be started thinking more positive. You are more courageous as well as more confidence. You are going to focus on your desires, and you will be started taking actions against it. It is a great time to start something new. If you are looking for a job change, there is a high possibility you will be able to get the job. So whatever changes right now are auto coming in your life, that is positive for you. If you are into a business and you want to start a new business, then also this is a good time. Overall, if your money is stuck somewhere, there is a high possibility you will be able to get your stuck money back during this time. Or if you are stuck in the legal case, there is a high possibility you are going to win that legal case. This is a time where all your pending tasks will be completed. You are going to see an improvement in your health also. Overall, your communication, this is a very great time. There is a high possibility you are going to get good name, fame and success. People will started admiring your work, and they will be started following you during this time. So very few time this type of time come in our life, so try to utilize it, because right now Mars is ready to bless you. So you should also utilize this time in the right way. To enhance more your luck, make sure that daily you are chanting at least one time Hanuman Chalisa. This will help you. Mars transit into the Cancer will not be so good time for you. You need to be conscious health wise. Be conscious while driving. Health wise, don't take your health for granted. Relationship with your family or with your loved ones may be impacted because of the money and the property. This is not so great time health wise. Don't take your health for granted. Try to do exercise daily, and try to follow the healthy diet also during this time. You may face a delay in your work, obstacles in your work, and savings of money will also be a problem during this time. It has been noticed that there will be the more expenditure as compared to the income. So consciously try to cut off the expenditure where consciously you can cut off. What all things that you need to be taken care of during this time? You need to take care of your relationship. Try to use a wise word. Try to be more calmer during this time. You need to focus on your health. Don't take your health for granted during this time, and make sure while driving you're more conscious. Don't take any decision being in impulsiveness during this time, because there is a high possibility of clashes within the family member during this time. To overcome the challenges, make sure you are waking up early in the morning before the sunset, offering water to sun daily, and standing in front of the sun. You have to chant Hanuman Chalisa, and you have to pray for your Cancer moon sign. This particular transit is going to take place in your own zodiac sign, so this will not be so great time. Overall, health wise, you need to be conscious. Avoid taking any impulsive decision. Don't take your health for granted, and need to be conscious with any type of injury also during this time. This is not so great time. Relationship wise, you need to be conscious, and you need to be conscious with everything what you are doing. Don't take any impulsive decision in your career. This is a time where if you're already married, you are going to see ups and downs in your relationship, or if you're already in the relationship, there also you may face a problem. If you're into a business, you need to be a little bit conscious while handling with your client, because this is a time where you may have a clashes with your life partner, with your business partner, or with your clients also during this time. This is a time. Avoid taking any impulsive decision related to the finances. Avoid taking any loans and debts during this time. If you are going to take loans and debts during this time, then there you are going to face where there you are going to face a lot of problems going after to pay off that loan. So this time is not so great. To overcome the challenges, make sure every Tuesday and Saturday you are chanting or listening to Sundar Kand. This will help you out to
You
overcome the
people, you
challenge.
need to be very much conscious health wise. You may face health related problems, especially related to the eyes and bones. During this time, try to avoid taking your health for granted. Try to do rest and try to be more calmer during this time, because you may become more impulsive. You in the career wise, you may face problem like office politics, due to which you may take any impulsive decision. Afterward, you may regret. So this is not a good time to change your job or take any decision being in impulsiveness. During this time, you may notice more irritation, anger, and frustration. So try to do meditation and calm down your mind. Relationship wise, this will not be so great time. Try to use wise word while communicating with your partner, life partner, business partner, as a client associations also during this time. This is a time where you may more notice that there is more expenditures as compared to the income. So try to keep an eye on your expenditure also during this time. To overcome the challenges, make sure that every Tuesday you are donating jaggery and black chana in the nearby Lord Hanuman temple. It is going to
Virgo
help
moon
you.
sign, this is a good time for you. This is a time for the manifestation. There is a very high possibility you are going to get a lot of success in your career, money wise, finances wise, as well as relationship wise and the marriage wise. So this is a time if you're manifesting anything. So this is a time of the wish fulfillment for you. There's a high possibility that all your wishes will come true. Is it related to the friends? It is connected to the friends, finances, career, or anything. It is going to fulfill. So this is a wish fulfillment time for you. Try to utilize this time. This is a time if you're into a business, then there is a high possibility you may start at some new business, and you are going to see that your profits will be start growing. If you're into a job and you're looking for a job change, then there is a high possibility you will be able to change your job successfully. If your promotion is due, then there is a high possibility you will be promoted during this time. This is a very favorable time for you. Very few times such type of planets align. So try to utilize this time to enhance more your luck during this time. Make sure that you are offering water to the plants daily. It will
Libra
help you
native,
a lot.
this is a golden period for you career wise. There is a very high possibility you are going to get career success during this time. If you are into a business, you are going to see that your profits are growing, or there is a high possibility you may start a new business also during this time. For the people who are into a job and they're looking for a job change, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get your job during this time. Finances wise and money wise, this is a good time. There is a high possibility you may get some sudden money from somewhere which you were not expecting. So this is a golden period for you. Try to complete all your pending tasks during this time, so that you will be, because this is a good time for you. And if you will try, if you take actions to complete your task, there is a high possibility that will be completed during this time. So overall, you are going to see that the quality of your life will start improving, and things will start becoming in your favor. To enhance more your
luck. Make sure that every Tuesday you are donating or feeding cows jaggery. This will be going to
Scorpio
help.
moon sign, the transit of Mars into the Cancer is not so favorable transit for you. You need to take care of your health. You need to take care of your relationship. Especially, you need to take care of the health of your family members, like your father or someone adult in your family. This is not so great time. Don't take your career for granted during this time, because planets are aligned in such a way that you may lose a job because of the office politics or some or the other reason. So this is a time where you should not take any impulsive decisions related to your career, and try to avoid taking your career for granted also during this time. This is a time where you need to be very much conscious with your health. Relationship wise also you may face a problem because of the irritation, anger, and planets are not so much in your favor. To overcome the challenges, make sure without miss you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa daily 3 times. Wake up early in the morning, offer water to the sun.
Sagittarius moon sign, this is not so great time health wise. Health wise, you need to be little bit conscious. If you're already married, then you need to take care of your life partner health also during this time. Relationship wise, also things will not be so great. You need to be little bit calmer. There is a high possibility of clashes with your own life partner, business partner, or any type of client associations during this time. If you are into a job, then you may stuck in the office politics, but try avoid to be reactive during this time, because there is a high possibility planets are aligned in such a way you may decide to change the job, being in irritation or irritation, anger, or the impulsiveness. But my guidance to you here is that try avoid changing your job during this time, because this is not so great time for you. Make sure daily you are waking up early in the morning, offering water to sun daily, standing in front of the sun. You have to chant Hanuman Chalisa. This will help you.
Capricorn moon sign, this particular time is good for the singles who are looking to get married. There is a high possibility you are going to attract a right partner during this time, and your marriage will be fixed. But this will not be so great time for the people who are already married. They are going to face ups and downs in their relationship. This is not so great time overall relationship wise, relationship with your own life partner, with your business partner, or any type of client associations. This is not a great time to change your job or start something new, because time is not in your favor and you may face the problems in your career. So avoid taking your career for granted. You have to put more hard work. You need to do more hard work during this time. To overcome the challenges, make sure you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa daily 7 times.
Aquarius
It will
moon
help you.
sign, this is a great time for you. You have struggled a lot in your life and you have faced a lot of problems in your life, but gradually and slowly you are going to see the improvement in your life. If you're stuck in a legal case, there is a high possibility you will be able to come out of that legal case soon. If you're facing problem in your office related to the politics, or if you're looking to change your career, there's a high possibility you may get job also during this time. If you're looking to start a business, then there is a high possibility you can start something new this time, and it is in your favor. If you're struggling health wise, gradually and slowly you are going to see the improvement in your health. Overall, your daily life problem will be going to decrease, and things will started improving for you gradually and slowly. Time will be started becoming in your favor. Make sure that every Tuesday and Saturday you are arranging water for the cows. It will help you.
This particular transit is not so favorable for you. Don't take your career for granted during this time. Changing your job is not advisable during this time. This is a time where you need to take care of your relationship, because relationship wise, love relationship wise, also you may face a problem during this time. For students, this is not a great time. If you're appearing in any competitive examination, make sure you are putting more hard work, because planets are aligned in such a way that focus will be the problem. So this is not so great time health wise, relationship wise, as well as overall. So make sure you are not taking anything for granted during this time. Try to do meditation and try to do exercise. It will help you a lot. To overcome the challenges, make sure daily you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa 11 times. It will help you a lot. Overall, if you don't know your moon sign or you don't know your date of birth, then there are some journal remedies that you can follow to overcome the challenges that you may face. Make sure that you are waking up early in the morning before the sunrise. Standing in front of the sun, you need to chant Hanuman Chalisa. Avoid wearing red and blue color clothes for coming 2 months till 6th of June. It is going to help you a lot. Still, you have any question related to the transit, you can ask me on the comments. I will be happy to answer that. Thank you and have a